Right. So we're going to replace a headband on an AB1266 headphone. The first thing you want to do, so we're going to take the old one off and put a brand new one on. First thing you want to do is push the headphone all the way in to reduce the tension on the headband and make it easy to replace. You take your fingers, you lift the band up and out and just pull it out from the notch here. Remove it. Like that. Same on the other side. Lift it up, back, and out. Peel it away. Up, out. And the old band's off. So the new band goes on. It should read Abyss with the headphone facing forward, as if you were going to put it on your head this way. We'll start by taking the ring, the first ring. We're going to get it in the notch here. Use 2 fingers is the easiest. Pull up till it snaps in to that notch there. Same here, pull up till it all pulls in and snaps in. Give it a little pull a little bit like this to even it out, the tension inside. I'll go to the other side. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go over here. We're going to get 2 fingers on it like this. Get it underneath the ring. Pull it up till it snaps in the notch there. Pull it up till it snaps in the notch there. Again, give it a wiggle so it evens out inside. And you can go back and forth a little bit, stretch it up a little bit, and you're done.